Once upon a time, in a galaxy far away, there was a young girl named Ahsoka. She was not just any girl, she was a Padawan, a student of the Jedi Order. Ahsoka lived on the planet of Coruscant, where the Jedi Temple towered above the city. One day, Ahsoka received a mysterious message from a creature deep in the forest of Kashyyyk. The message was a plea for help, and Ahsoka knew she had to act. She packed her belongings and journeyed to Kashyyyk, accompanied by her faithful droid, R2-D2. Upon reaching Kashyyyk, Ahsoka found the creature, its eyes wide with fear. It was a Wookiee, and its home was being threatened by a group of poachers. Ahsoka's heart swelled with determination. "I will help you," she said, her voice filled with courage. With the help of Chewbacca, a brave Wookiee warrior, Ahsoka faced the poachers. They were strong, but Ahsoka was not afraid. She used the Force to guide her actions, striking down the poachers one by one. The Wookiees cheered, grateful for their savior. Ahsoka returned to Coruscant, hailed as a hero. But she knew her journey was not over. There were still many who needed her help, many who needed the light that she carried within her. Ahsoka vowed to continue her journey, to continue her path as a Jedi. That night, as she looked up at the stars, Ahsoka smiled. She knew she had a long road ahead, but she was ready. She was a Padawan, a student of the Jedi Order, and she was ready to learn, ready to grow, ready to make a difference in the galaxy. And so, Ahsoka Tano continued her journey, spreading light wherever she went. She was a beacon of hope, a symbol of courage, and a reminder that even the smallest of us can make a big difference in the world. The end.